Hey guys, this is a continuation of the tutorial I posted 2 weeks ago. In that tutorial I showed you how to make string felt gingerbread men. After I filmed the tutorial I played around with a few different variations and I wanted to show you those today. Here they are. I also created one with string on the front and back. This will make your ornament a bit sturdier and completes a 360 look if you want your gingerbread man to be visible from the back. I tried creating snowflakes using the same method, but because they're a little bit more detailed, they didn't turn out quite as I was hoping. If you wanted to try something a little different, using this same shape, you could cut out 2 felt pieces, one for the front and one for the back, add some polyester stuffing between the pieces, and then stitch the pieces together to create a fun felt ornament. The tree ornament turned out a lot better, so I'm going to show you how I created that one today. You could also add string to the back of this one to make it a bit sturdier. Start by cutting out your felt piece. Add some glue to the bottom of the felt and then cut and add 3 short pieces of 3mm hot chocolate string to the base. Glue and add several pieces of 3mm eucalyptus string to fill in the rest of the felt. Trim the sides. Cut a piece of 3mm natural string, coil the string, and add it to the top of the tree with some glue. Add a few more coiled pieces of string to the front if you'd like for a little extra detailing. These would look great as ornaments or add them to a garland with the gingerbread men. To create the garland, cut a piece of string or jute and then thread it through the ornaments and then wrap it around your tree or hang it across the wall. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thanks so much for watching.